Okay, what we're going to do quickly is sort of look at this. As you can see here, this is the same data set that you have. You can actually select everything, right? You can select everything and format as a table. Okay, you can just format as a table. It's your wish, or you can just leave it as it is. There are three worksheets. There is order, which is nothing but the order ID, order date, shipping date, the customer who purchased, from where was he or she was, the region, what is the product which was purchased, the category of the product, the name of the product, sales, quantity, if there was any discount is a percentage, what is the profit on that product, um, you know, what is the shipping cost, and then the order priority, if it's critical, medium, high, low, whatever, right? Then there is something called returns, right? What is returns? Returns is all the order IDs which were returned. Okay, and then there is something called people, which is nothing but some sort of manager for each region. Okay, so this is the data set that we'll be working on. We'll try to answer some questions, right? If you look at the order information, how many rows of data do you see? You should see 51,291 rows of data in the order sheet or order table. Yeah, great. Does everyone see 51,290 24 columns? Yeah. Now this is a big data set. Okay, what you saw in that IPL is not a big data set at all. Now this for Excel is a big data set. Okay, it has three tables. We use VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, everything, right? Okay. First question is, how many unique orders are present? Okay, now there are multiple ways of doing it. First, we'll try to understand the easiest way, right? So if I want to look at the number of unique orders, what can I do is I'm just going to copy this order IDs. Okay, I'm just going to copy it, right? I just copied it and I'm going to paste it here. Right? I just copied it and pasted it here. Now, order ID is defined as, let's say I buy multiple products in a purchase, right? It will have the same order ID, but it will have different product names, right? If you look at the data, it has product names as well, right? Which means that order ID will repeat, correct? Which means there are duplicates. Now, if I go to this, I have selected all the order IDs and copy pasted it. Go to the data tab. You will see something called as remove duplicates here, right? Remove duplicates. Okay. 1 second. Data, remove duplicates. My data has headers. Yes. Okay. You will see that there are 26,255 duplicate values and 25,035 unique values. That means for the first question which I had, how many unique orders are present? The answer is not the number of rows because there are duplicates. You have to remove duplicates and find out. If I have removed duplicates, there are 25,035 unique orders. Okay, 25,035. Next is sort and filter. Sort and filter is pretty useful when working with tables. Yes, ascending, ordering a list of items, filtering a list of items, right? So what I've done is actually first I've formatted it as a table. Okay, I've selected everything and format as table. I've formatted it, right? Okay. You see this in the home button ribbon, you see sort and filter here. You go to custom sort. Okay, you can sort by different things. You can first sort by market, or you can first sort by, let's say, order ID. Where is order ID? You can sort by order ID, values A to Z. Then you can sort by sales, largest to smallest. Say OK. You will see that the table is sorted by order ID, right? And then see, the first two records are the same order ID. Okay, the first two records. And if you look at the sale column, you will see that the one with the highest sale has come first. Okay, that is sorting and filtering. If you want to filter, okay, let's say if I want to filter this, I can go to filter, click on filter. Okay, click on filter. The drop downs should appear on each column header. Click on this. I can say, give me show me all sales records which is greater than 350. Now you will see that some rows will be hidden like this. See, after 17 there is 20, 27. That means it is showing me only those records where sales is greater than 350. Like this, you can, play around and create filters. Look at the order table again. Let's remove the filters. Okay, clear filter. Okay. Now you see this customer name, right? Customer name. First, what I have to do is I want to get the first name and the last name of the customer separately. Okay, and I also want to remove the duplicate. The first thing is obviously copy this, right? Copy it, paste it somewhere, right? Paste it somewhere. Go to data, remove duplicate. Okay, remove duplicate. You'll see that there are 795. Now I want to break, for example, Patrick O'Donnell, right? I want to break it as Patrick and O'Donnell, right? How do I do it? A simple way to do it is select this. In the same data tab, there's something called text to column. Click on it. Choose the file type that best describes your data. Choose it as delimited. What does delimited means? What is a delimiter? A delimiter is any character which separates two strings or separates fields, right? In our case, what is the delimiter? Anyone? What is the delimiter in the customer name column? Space. Absolutely brilliant, right? Click on next. There are different delimiter options available. Our delimiter is space, and say next and finish. You see that, right? It's broken down into the first name and the last name by space. Okay, that is text to column.